Hey guys, it's Kyra from KyraWilliamsFitness.com, and today we are doing a high plank with an object shift. So when we do these, we want to make sure our fingers are spread to help us balance, shoulders, elbows, and wrists all in one straight line, pressing the earth away so our upper back is going to be engaged. We're going to squeeze our abs. We're going to squeeze our glutes, and we're going to keep our quads super duper flexed. Our feet can be slightly apart because we are going to be shifting from side to side, and this is going to help us balance. So we're going to start with an object. It doesn't have to be a weight. This is not about going heavy. Sometimes I do this just simply with a band or just an object around the house, like you could use a spoon. But I've chosen a 5-pound weight. It's pretty light. It's just something that would be in a gym that you can move. So pressing the earth away, make sure that you stay engaged through your upper back, feet slightly separated. We're going to take one hand, grab our object, put it on the outside of the hand that just moved it. So shifting to the other side. But when we do this, we don't want to be rocking all over the place. We don't want to throw the object down. We want to gently set it down. The idea is if you had a glass of hot coffee on your back, you wouldn't want it to spill. So we want to move as little as possible through our whole body. So our core has to be super active, and our shoulders are going to obviously be active too. So if you want exercises like this in your workout program, sign up for online personal training at KyraWilliamsFitness.com.